Yeah, hi and welcome everybody. Today we would like to show you how you can actually get to your online course. So there's basically two ways. You can either go to our main website, seedsforsustainability.com, and then go to the upper right part and go to Login eCampus, or you can directly type in moodle.seedsforsustainability.com and go directly to the Moodle. Let's click here to the Login eCampus, which is basically the easiest way to find it. You just have to go to the main website of us, and from there you can access. Now I already have my login data saved. For you, it's just typing in the username and the password that you have received from us after inscription. And here you see on the dashboard, you see all the available courses for you. You will also see the calendar and upcoming events. Now let's just look at one course as an example. For instance, if you booked the Introduction to Permaculture course, then you will see here on the Moodle a general welcoming. You will have a news section, you will have a community center where you can drop ideas, connect with others. Then you have the typical section where you find readers and other materials. You will generally always have the section how to get to your virtual classroom and how you can access the live tutorials. You just click here and it will take you to a Zoom meeting room where you can virtually meet with all of our tutors and enjoy live interaction. And you will always have a section for additional materials. So in general, you will have to send us your homeworks, read the book, do your exam, so to say, and then we meet in the live tutorials for question and answers and additional materials. We hope to see you real soon on the eCampus, and we hope you enjoy our courses.